to your home. This is Angie with Mystic Mountain Homestead, and today I want to talk to you about lucky foods for the new year. But first, I want to say thank you so much for everybody who has been watching us for all these years now. Please continue to like, subscribe, and share with other people so that our numbers come up. But let's go back to what I was talking about. Today is New Year's Day, and every year on New Year's Day, I cook a special lunch for my family. And I live in the South, so I cook the South lucky foods. However, over the years, we have diversified a little and we've added a few things. So I need to back up and tell you, on New Year's, every year, we get our pots and pans and we go outside on New Year's Eve at the stroke of 10 and stroke of midnight. Actually, you just heard a secret. When the kids were little, I used to set the clock back to 10 to where they thought it was midnight so that I could go to bed earlier. But anyways, that's another story. At midnight, we would go out and we would bang pots and pans with the kids, and it was the most fun thing, and we still have that tradition still today. Throw up confetti and eat food. And then also at midnight, you should take 12 grapes and eat 12 grapes at midnight. Each one represents a single month for good luck throughout the year. That is one tradition. So the next day, on New Year's Day, I cook a Southern lucky meal. I used to always do fried chicken, black-eyed peas, turnip greens, and carrots and cornbread. However, I've kind of moved away from the fried chicken part of it, and I've added the fish, which is an Asian flair to it. But let's talk about the black-eyed peas, turnip greens, and the carrots. So black-eyed peas stand for pennies, turnip greens stand for dollars, and candied carrots or cornbread stand for gold coins. So I always make sure, and I used to always make the kids would say, I don't like black-eyed peas. You have to at least eat a couple. That's just the rule at my house, whatever. So another one that you can eat is pork, and pork stands for progress. And I add the pork to my black-eyed peas. Oh, there's a piece of pork. To my black-eyed peas and my turnip greens. And then that way I've incorporated the pork into it. Pomegranates are another lucky food. In Greece, the pomegranate is thrown across the room and it explodes, and these little bitty seeds go all over the room. And these little seeds are representative for fertility, life, and abundance. Now, I don't need any more fertility, I promise, except for maybe on the farm animals or the exotic animals that we raise here. So we'll just think about them when we do the fertility. They are huge. They come in the grocery store. Usually can start finding them in October through January. And I usually slice it here and then just peel it. And it's really fun to peel. The kids like it. When you get it open really big, it literally just comes straight off. It's easy, easy. Look at that. And all you do is just pull them off like that. Now, they have little bitty seeds in there. It's like juice around a seed. You pop that in your mouth and you spit out the seed. Kids love them. They are fun. And it gives them a lot to do, so it keeps them busy for a while.
I can hear you.
Did you hear that? He says, I can hear you. The next one on my list is fish. I am cooking the fish. It's good brain food. It's really good for you, and it stands for abundance. Another thing that the Asians do, the countries over in Asia, they'll do long noodles, which stand for a long life, and rice, which is fertility and wealth. A lot of times, round cake is eaten, and that is for the circle of life. Oranges and honey. Well, of course, you know that honey is wealth. And so oranges and honey stand for fortune, wealth, and money. Now, I don't really care for this one much, but I have done it. Lentils. Lentils are for luck. And none of my family really likes them a lot, so we only eat the lentils if we just really are down to nothing else in the house. So that's not our good luck New Year's dinner. And
I like lentils.
he likes lentils. Okay. I cook my lentils with carrots and onions. They really are good. It's just I don't do it very often. And the last lucky food that I have is cabbage. Now that one a lot of Germans eat, the pork and the cabbage. Cabbage is for money. Honestly, any greens that you have are for money because it's green. My mom actually doesn't like the turnip greens. She is eating spinach today. So there you go. Let's all eat our lucky foods and have a lucky year. We want to wish you a very happy new year, and hopefully this new year is better than the last year. I am so ready for 2020 to be gone. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, we've got that contest. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe. And if you do, Honey's going to eat a cricket recipe. You guessed it. We're going to cook up whatever recipes that you want. I'm going to give you 3 to choose from. You pick which one you think is the most disgusting. I'll cook it. He'll eat it. So please remember to that. And guess what? Merch is coming. We're so excited. So when we get the merch up, we will be sure to let you know. Thank you so much. Good luck to you all. And thank you for everything that you've done for us. Have a great year.